So guys, I'm changing these batteries on this T7 floor scrubber. It's the only store that has a T7. But anyways, check it out. I had to take this, remove the seat. I had to remove these are the new batteries I'm gonna swap them with. Bought them at Battery Plus, a lot cheaper. But I had to remove the seat, and then this whole body enclosure, just to get to the battery. So it could be a little headache sometimes. All right. Make sure you know how your wiring goes on your batteries. Okay. When you guys go buy batteries, hopefully, you know, Battery Plus and bulbs, get your guys yourself one of these. They come in handy to pick up the batteries. Safety first, remember guys. This comes in handy. See, these other batteries don't even have a holster or carrier handle. But anyways. Alright. Later guys.